Food and drink is the largest manufacturing sector in the UK and hosts a wide variety of roles. For more information on the types of career opportunities in this area, you can check out the Relevant World of Work video from the Leicester and Leicestershire Enterprise Partnership. In this video, we're going to focus on what subjects or courses could help you on a pathway toward a career in the food and drink sector.
My name's Kate Lee and I work for Samworth Brothers in the resourcing team, where we recruit and manage the recruitment employer brand and experience for the group. We offer several ways into working in food manufacturing, as do other food and drink manufacturers. These range from higher level apprenticeships for those wanting to leave school and get paid whilst gaining a degree, to a sandwich year placement scheme and a graduate scheme. For more information on the range of careers available within food and drink, take a look at tastycareers.org.uk.
As there are a variety of roles within the food and drink sector, there are also a variety of educational routes that employees within the food and drink sector take, as mentioned by Kate from Samworth Brothers. Some roles within the food and drink sector do require specific degrees, such as any engineering roles, but others may recruit from a wide variety of courses. It's unlikely that the types of subjects you choose at GCSE will affect the options that are open to you in the future, but attempting to get as many good grades as you can is the primary thing. If you're considering a role within engineering in the food and drink sector, getting good grades in science at GCSE will be crucial. Roles within the food and drink sector can either be very creative or very technical. The important thing to remember about the food and drink industry is that there are several different courses that can help you get there. Depending on the role you choose, there are obvious courses such as business management, engineering, and product design. But there are also lots of subjects that you can take that will help develop the transferable skills required for a career within the food and drink sector. To work in this industry, you must possess a number of transferable skills, such as creative thinking, problem solving, organisation, time management, and teamwork. All of these skills can be developed in subjects such as marketing, English, product design, and many more. In all of these subjects, you can acquire general knowledge on a variety of subjects and improve the transferable skills that can be used in the food and drink sector.
Food and drink offers a good range of career opportunities. People can move around the sector between food and drink manufacturers, as this provides a vast array of options for people wanting to climb the career ladder. Consumer demand will mean that there's always a requirement for food and drink, and as such, it's a sector where skills are always in demand.
If you're at the point of selecting your post-16 options, then use this opportunity to explore possible careers in the food and drink sector. In order to follow your preferred career route at university or college, are there any specific subjects you need to do? For example, if you're considering a career in food and drink, then Leicester College offers various courses within the food and drink and hospitality industry. One example being the Bakery and Patisserie Diploma Technical Certificate Level 2. This course is aimed at anyone looking to start their career as a professional pastry chef. There's a focus on developing an understanding of professional techniques, helping you to progress onto a higher course in college or into a pastry-focused kitchen at a junior level. Alternatively, if you're unsure whether you want to concentrate directly on food and drink early on in your post-16 journey, taking A-levels such as English, Business, Maths, History, or a BTEC Level 3 in Business would provide you with the necessary transferable skills to continue your education journey at university and still be successful in achieving a career within the food and drink sector. Apprenticeships in the food and drink sector are available, but you may have to take the first step in writing to companies and requesting an opportunity. Companies like Samworth Brothers offer structured apprenticeship schemes for school leavers aged 16 and above in Leicestershire. You might also be able to find local food and drink apprenticeships at Loughborough or Leicestershire College that will provide you with many of the foundation skills needed.
I'd like to introduce you to Harry. He's currently working full-time in the new product development team at Bradgate Bakery, while studying chartered management at Sheffield Hallam University. This is made possible because Harry is studying a degree apprenticeship and so splits his time studying and working. Harry attends university on block releases, which means he will spend a 4-day block studying at university before returning back to focus on working, and he would do this 6 times over the year. The Samworth Brothers Group are the company who Harry works for and organise this arrangement for his apprenticeship. They allocate 20% of Harry's work time to off-the-job learning, which is where he would cover a number of things like completing his university assignments, experiential learning, shadowing other departments, and more. While studying his course, Harry feels very lucky to have learnt so many different skills and to have gained exposure to a large variety of departments and processes within the business and industry. One message that Harry would like to share with you is that it is a big step from being at college. To go from doing a few assignments across his time at college to trying to balance a full-time job with a degree in a chartership can seem like a crazy jump at times. And so he realises just how crucial time management as a skill is in order to succeed at everything he does.
If you type food and drink into UCAS, you get hundreds of courses at many providers around the UK. But that doesn't include courses like management, politics, engineering, marketing, and many others which may also open up positions in the food and drink sector.
People don't realise the range of career opportunities within food and only consider the obvious production roles. There's a vast range of careers within food. We recruit the same office-based roles as any company, such as finance, IT, and HR. We also have a lot of exciting roles around developing new products, trialling them, and working closely with our retail customers. We have roles that without which production could not happen, such as health and safety, food safety, and engineering.
If you're interested in studying at undergraduate level, then the best place to search for courses is via ucas.com. The easy-to-use search function shows you all the courses offered by universities and colleges across the UK, and you can even filter by the East Midlands too. If you want more information on what courses or education routes will be helpful for a career in the food and drink sector, then there are a number of sites to visit, including prospects.ac.uk and targetjobs.co.uk.